Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Zainab from CID News Network, Islamabad. Auditors have found irregularities in hiring of a British law firm for collecting evidence against MQM's exiled leader Altaf Hussain in the Dr. Imran Farooq murder case, which results in a 24.43 million rupees loss to the exchequer. The Foreign Office has requested the Canadian government to conduct an investigation into Karima's Baloch's death and sought its inquiry report. PMLN Secretary Information Maryam Aurangzeb has rejected the reports of Nawaz Sharif sending a delegation to Israel during his tenure as Premier. At a time when the economy is grappling with the second wave of COVID-19, the IMF has accepted Pakistan's plea to delay implementation of same significant tax measures for a period of 6 months. The Sindh High Court was informed that 2 shelter homes were being constructed in Korangi and Mali to accommodate around 400 street children. Michael Jackson's famed Neverland Ranch in California has finally sold. India's government obtained at least 75 political leaders and activists in occupied Kashmir to forest all political unrest after an alliance of regional political parties won a local election. A team comprising American scientists and paramedical staff of Pakistan Institution of Medical Science (PIMS) commenced research on COVID-19 patients in Pakistan. With the coronavirus cases and deaths on the rise in the provincial capital, the district administration imposed smart lockdown in 7 more areas in Peshawar. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Please like, comment, share and also subscribe. Allah Hafiz.